What are some skills for freelancing that will help you succeed in the industry? Whether you're just starting out or you're looking to make a career change, here are some of the most important skills to focus on. Freelancing can be a great way to earn income, but it's not always easy. These tips will help you get started on the right foot and give you a head start in your new career. So what are you waiting for? Start watching the video. Number 1. Networking. If you want to win more customers and be a professional recognized for your service, you need to increase your network of contacts. For this, you will have to participate in events without fear of talking to strangers, approach potential clients and work partners on LinkedIn, leave the home office a little, and also expose your brand via a digital portfolio or a blog. Number 2. Negotiation. Define prices, adjust project deadlines, convince the client that the solution presented is better than what he was thinking, whatever the service provided. It is worth studying the subject and learning effective techniques so as not to lose every battle. Number 3. Project management. Unlike many formal jobs, as a freelancer, you work with several clients at the same time, on very different projects, each with its own objectives and main activities. Without good project management, you are very likely to get lost and end up leaving one of them uncovered. Number 4. Accounting. Even if you count on the support of a contractor for your company, you need to dedicate yourself minimally to keep your situation regularized. There are several responsibilities in this case, from issuing invoices to the annual declaration. Always keep your documentation up to date and understand the taxes you are paying for. Tip. A good option to become a freelancer is to become an entrepreneur, and, in this case, there are mentors who provide free support for opening and maintaining the company. Number 5. Marketing. As a freelancer, you also need to learn effective ways to publicize your work, whether investing in personal marketing or looking for alternatives to present yourself as a company. Our lack of a budget for marketing means we must rely on digital marketing methods and low-cost alternatives. In order to reach your potential customers, you should create a blog, build a good portfolio, and keep your social media profiles updated. Number 6. Design. Everyone needs to send proposals, make reports, create presentations. Having a minimal sense of design helps to convey a much more professional image for your work at that time. Learn what you can about visual concepts and rely on the support of tools like Canva.com to create your pieces. Number 7. Writing. As a freelancer, you will also need to write a lot. From a simple email to an in-depth article to promote your work on a partner blog. I'm suspicious to speak, but I believe that by reading a lot and being inspired by styles and text formats that you admire, it's not too difficult to start expressing yourself effectively in texts. Not being difficult, however, doesn't mean it's not hard work. Dedicate yourself to writing practice to improve this skill. It is even worth repeating the exercises of telling how the holidays were. Number 8. Finance. Help. I have to deal with finances. Yes. As a freelancer, you will need to maintain a very complete cash flow, considering that you have several sources of income, which can vary every month. Have at least one Excel spreadsheet to help you make this control, and don't forget to consider all your work expenses. This knowledge is essential for setting the price of your freelance. Number 9. Communication. Presentations, lectures, texts, reports, emails, meetings. If communication is not your strong point, in any format, it's time to improve. I, for one, had great difficulty speaking in public. Working as a freelancer, however, often forces me to give presentations. What do? Every day I practice at home, breathe deeply and fill myself with courage. At the end of the day, I can communicate as safely as when giving tips in the video. Number 10. Sales. I've left this item for last because I haven't found any freelancers who love to sell their own work yet. If you are one of them, introduce yourself. In any case, we are obliged to sell daily, whether our services or our personal image. You must learn prospecting, approach, and follow up. Otherwise, job opportunities become much smaller than they could be. This will help you better think through your potential customers' pain points and how your services can solve them. Knowing these skills, you can understand that being a freelancer is becoming a complete company, right? That's not even talking about human resources, administrative, etc. Areas whose skills we also need to develop. If you are betting on this solo career, don't leave any of these points unattended. They can be the factors that will determine your success. Wrapping up. So what makes a successful freelancer? If you are looking to start freelancing or want to become more successful at it, make sure you focus on honing these skills. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips on succeeding as a freelancer.